After letting Dominic Toretto escape from the authorities, former LAPD officer Brian O'Connor flees from Los Angeles to escape prosecution. He subsequently relocates to Miami and makes a living participating in illegal street races, driving a heavily modified silver Nissan Skyline GTR R34. The races are organized by his local mechanic friend Taj Parker. After winning a race, the police show up and Brian is arrested. He is taken into custody but given a deal by his former boss, FBI agent Bilkins, and U.S. Customs agent Markham, to go undercover and bring down Argentinian drug lord Carter Veron in exchange for clearance of his criminal record. Agent Monica Fuentes, who has been undercover with Varone for a year, agrees to assist bringing Brian into the organization. Brian agrees on the condition that he is given permission to choose his own partner. This prompts Brian to travel to Barstow, where he enlists the help of childhood friend Roman Pierce, who served jail time for housing stolen cars in a garage and currently makes a living as a demolition derby driver. Roman, currently on parole, gets into a brief fight and blames Brian for his arrest but reluctantly agrees to help. In exchange for the same deal Brian was offered for their mission, they are issued 2 confiscated modified cars, a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 7 and the Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider GTS. Roman and Brian are later hired by Veron, who tasks the duo to compete against rival drivers to obtain a package from a confiscated Ferrari located in a lot. During the race, some of the hired drivers crash while a few are injured by Big Rigs. Markham, who mistakenly thinks that the duo is trying to run away, follows them to the lot. The police ambush spooks Roman, who shoots at Markham to help maintain his cover. Roman later confronts the agent for interfering with the mission. Brian is able to salvage the situation, telling Bilkins that Varone is allegedly aiming to launder his money in Miami before escaping on his private jet. Brian and Roman challenge a pair of muscle car drivers they raced when competing for Veron's hiring for pink slips. Despite engine and power output handicaps, they win the race and obtain the rival cars, a 1969 Yenko Camaro SIC and a 1970 Dodge Challenger RD. Roman later confronts Brian about the constant threat of Verone's aim. However, they patch up their differences and focus on completing the mission at the VIP section of a nightclub. Brian and Roman witness Verone torturing MPD detective Whitworth into giving his men a window of opportunity to make their getaway. The next morning, Monica warns them that they will be killed once the drop is made. Despite this, Markham refuses to call off the job, claiming that it is their one chance to catch Veron. On the day of the mission, Brian and Roman begin transporting duffel bags of Verone's money with Verone's associates Enrique and Roberta riding alongside to accompany them. Before the window is set, Whitworth decides to call in the police to move in for an arrest of the drivers of the cars used by Brian and Roman. This results in a high-speed chase across the city with Bilkins and U.S. Customs also tracking them. The duo leads the police to a warehouse where a scramble by dozens of street racers organized by Tej disorients the police. Following the scramble, the police managed to pull over the Evo and the Eclipse, only to find out that they were driven by Tej and Tsuki. As it turns out, the duo had switched cars and had escaped in the 2 muscle cars they had won earlier. As Brian approaches the destination point in his Camaro, Enrique tells him to take the Tarpon Point Marina exit instead of heading to the airfield. Meanwhile, Roman gets rid of Roberto by using an improvised ejector seat in his Challenger powered by nitrous oxide. At the airfield, customs agents have Varone's plane and convoy surrounded, only to discover they have been duped into a decoy maneuver while Veron is at a boatyard several miles away. Veron reveals he knew Monica was an undercover agent and purposely gave her wrong information on the destination point. When Brian arrives at the marina, Varone forces Monica onto his private yacht and orders Enrique to kill Brian. As Enrique prepares to kill him, Brian's ejector seat fails, but Roman suddenly appears and helps Brian to incapacitate Enrique. Varone makes his escape, but Brian and Roman use the Camaro to drive off a ramp, crashing on top of the yacht. Brian shoots and wounds Varone, who is then arrested by Monica. Markham grants Brian and Roman full pardons, and in return Roman turns over the second half of Verone's money. The two agreed to stay in Miami, and Brian suggests opening a garage funded by a cut of Verone's money Roman kept for themselves.